In this video, you'll learn how to generate slides using Kimi AI. This guide will walk you through each step, ensuring you can create effective presentations effortlessly. First, begin by navigating to the Kimi AI website. Open your preferred web browser and enter the URL for Kimi AI. Once the page loads, you should see a user-friendly interface designed for creating various types of content. Next, locate the prompt area on the main screen. This is usually positioned prominently in the center of the interface. You will need to click inside this prompt area to start typing your request. After that, type in the command for the slides you want to create. For example, enter the phrase "generate slides about business marketing." This specific command will instruct Kimi AI on the topic for the slide you wish to generate. Once you have entered your command, find the Enter key on your keyboard and click it. This action will submit your request to Kimi AI for processing, prompting the system to start generating the slides based on your input. Now, you will need to wait for Kimi AI to generate the slides. Depending on the complexity of the request and the current server load, this could take a few moments. During this time, you may see a loading indicator or progress bar indicating that the system is actively processing your request. After the slides have been generated, they will appear on your screen. You can review the content and make any necessary adjustments. If you are satisfied with the results, consider downloading or saving the slides to your device for future use. Before proceeding, ensure that you have enough storage space on your device, as larger files may require more space, and uploading them might take additional time based on your internet speed. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.